I think now it is playing. YouTube Live is now displaying. You can check from your side. Okay, the first step, we are going to use our traditional Excel workbook. Okay, so you can able to use these hacks in 2007, 10, 13, and 16. You can able to use these hacks. It's the most important thing. Many of the companies, if you are working as an MIS executive or some other responsibility based on Excel data, and you can able to track your employee, whether your employee is productivity or not. So if the month it is available on the month falls on Jan 2023, so you should highlight what all the Saturdays and Sundays are available in Jan 2023. Okay, let me share my Excel workbook. Okay, so the first option you should type as year. Okay, I just enter the year and month. Okay. The first step, you should enter the year and month. And second thing is your day. So I just form a template. So in a month, it is almost from 1 to 31 days. I'm going to frame it as from 1 to 31 days, from 1 to 31. Okay. And I'm going to adjust the column. Column with as 5. Okay. So, and the next one is I'm going to check for 2023 5th month. Okay. So 2023 5th month. So I just enter the year and month. Okay. I should know whether one will be a Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. Okay. You should know what is the current day of the given date. Okay. So you should do the formula as equal to date. It's a predefined formula. Date. You should select year, month, and day. So your year is 2023, comma, and your month is 5. You should select the cell, comma, and your date. Okay, just close the parenthesis. Since your year and month is fixed for rest of the days, so you should lock the command with the help of F4 key. You have a function 4 key in your keyboard. Just press F4. In year and month cell, I just repeat once again. See this equivalent to date of. First, you should select the year, comma. Then you should select the month, comma, and you select the day. So you have a syntax available: year, comma, month, comma, day, and close the parenthesis. You should lock the cell for year and month. Since year and month is fixed for all the dates, you should press F4, function F4. So I'm using my laptop. For that, I'm using function key. So you have if you're using desktop version, you have an F4 key is available here. Function F4. It will lock the cell for your year and month. Okay, press enter. Okay, so it will return the date as date, month, date, and year. It's a date, month, and year. But my format should be like this. It should be like Monday. So Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. So you should change the format for the given date. So how we can able to possible? It's very easy. Just click on that cell. Okay, and in the home tab we have a number option. Okay, just click the number. So once you click the number option, your format cell will be opened here. Okay, and you just move on to custom tab. In the custom tab, in the type section, you should remove the type command which is already available, and just remove all those things and type DDD. Okay, and this is the date format for each and every command. For example, DD is nothing but 01. You want month, MM, and triple M, it's denote whether it is May. Okay, and if you're going for a year, see. So the date format is applicable for day, month, and year. So for that, I'm going to use my format as MON. For Monday, it is MON. For Tuesday, it is TUE, and Wednesday, it is WED. So I just change the type it as DDD and press OK button. See, the format is changed, and just drag that cells to the entire data. Okay, now it is changed for the rest of the cell. The formula is applicable for the rest of the cells. And second thing, I'm going to type the employee name. For example, employee name. Okay. Employee name. So I just select the blank cells and I'm going to apply the border. Okay. So without border, some color will not be applicable on Saturday and Sunday. So definitely you should apply the border for the entire data. Okay. So far we have done. So we just open the Excel workbook and we have typed the year and month, and we have given the input as 2023 and for the 5th month. And I'm going to enter 1 to 31 numbers, and I'm going to apply the formula as equivalent to date of. You should select your year, month, and date. And you should lock the year and month cell, and you should change the format as MON format. So you should do triple D's in the format type option. And you should drag over the cells for the entire data. The entire formula is applicable for the rest of the cells. Okay. So far we have been aligned the data. So now we are going for the conditional formatting concept. It's very easy actually. So just select the entire data from 1 to 31. Just select the entire data. So the conditional formatting is available in your home tab. Just move on to, just click the home tab and click conditional formatting. Okay. So in the conditional formatting, we have different kinds of options. We have top and bottom rows, and we have data bars, color scales, icon sets, and highlighted cell. We have done a conditional formatting for different types of data, but now we are going to use the conditional formatting in terms of formula. So we are going to apply some formula using this conditional formatting. So how we can able to do means just click home, conditional formatting, and you should create a new rule. Just click the new rule option. Okay. So once you click the new rule option, it will open the new formatting rule dialog box. Okay. So these are all the rule type. So I am going to select the rule type as formulas. So I'm going to apply some formulas for the given data. So I just select the 6th option here. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Okay. So even though we have a different type of rule type, see, we have a rule type based on the cell value, and we should contain, if the cell contain any, for example, second option, nothing but if the cell contain any data, if both the data is matched, you should highlight the colors. And we have top and bottom. So we have different kinds of rules are available in the rule type, but now we are going to select as use a formula to determine which cells to format. Just select that option and just click on that text box, format rule, formula text box, and you should apply the formula here. Okay. See, each and every time you should select the rule type, and the rule description will be changed. See, you can see the rule description. It will change the rule description based on the rule type. But we are going to select the rule type as user formula. So once you select the user formula option, and you should click on the text box. Okay. Just a minute. So click on the text box. So my formula is equal to weekday. Okay, opening parenthesis. And so my first formula is available in this MON cell. So I'm going to type the formula in MON and drag the formula to the rest of the cell. So I just select this MON cell. Okay, MON cell means this B8. Okay, just select the cell, comma 2. So why I am specifying 2 means, so I'm going for Saturday and Sunday. Okay, Saturday and Sunday. So we have 2 dates. So for that, I'm selecting giving the input as 2. Just close the parenthesis. Okay, and we have a condition here. So what is the condition means? It is greater than 5. So we have 7 days here. So the weekday and every calendar type will be changed based on the weekday formula. So by default, the weekday contain 1 for Monday and 2 for Wednesday and 2 for Tuesday and 3 for Wednesday and 4 for Thursday, Friday, and 6 for Saturday and 7 for Sunday. So my date my day should be greater than 5. So if the day should be greater than 5, and it should be highlighted in yellow color, but there is some problem in the formula. What is the main formula? What is the main problem means? See, once you select that B5 cell, B8 cell, the entire data is logged. You can see this. I just click one more time. See this. Once I click this MON cell, the data will be locked. You can see this. It is locked right now. So you should be unlock the cell. Then only the formula will be apply for 1 to 31 cell. If you lock the cell, the formula is apply only for the first date. It should not be apply for the remaining dates. Okay. So you should remove that first dollar. Okay, you should remove the first dollar before B. That's it. Okay, and comma 2 is greater than 5. And my Saturday, Sunday should be highlighted. So which color should be highlighted? So for that, we should click this format option, format button, and just a minute. Once you click the format button, so we have format cells, we have number, format, border, and fill. So I'm going for fill tab. So which color you want to prefer? So I'm going to prefer this yellow color. Just click OK. Okay, and click OK. See what will happen. So it will highlight Saturday and Sunday. You can ask a question. So if I'm going to change the year, okay, if I'm going to change the year as 2020 and the month is 12, whether the Saturday, Sunday will be applied right now or not. Just you can post the answer in the chat box. If I change the data, if I change the year and month, whether the Saturday, Sunday will be applied or not. Yes, you can post your answer in the chat box. Yes, it is changed. Okay, fine. Any other responses? This change or not? Yes, it is definitely changed. See this. Once I enter the data 2020 and 4th month, the data will be changed. Can select off the remaining years. For example, 2025 going for my post here. So 6th month, the data will be automatically updated. So it will automatically highlight the Saturday and Sunday option. It's very easy function. It's a very easy hack. So you should not going for any manual process. Okay, just select the year. So just type the year and month. It will highlight the Saturday and Sunday hacks. So I'm just complete this task within 5 minutes. Okay, most of the people, they're going for a manual process. We should not go for the manual process. It's one of the important Excel hacks. So using this conditional formatting option, we can highlight our weekend Saturday and Sunday with the help of conditional formatting option. Okay, whether this option is useful for today, yes, you can give a thumbs up in the chat box. Otherwise, you can post yes command in the chat box. Whether it is useful for you. See, this is not only applicable for the faculty. If you're working for professional, if you're going for an MAS or MAS executive or some other operations in Excel, you should know what all Saturdays, Sundays are available in a month and it should be highlighted. So it's the most important thing in an Excel. And this option is working in all the Excel versions, version 7, 10, 13, and 16. And you can try this option. I just give a quick recap what we have done so far. Okay. See, I just clear all my rules. Okay, just I select all the rules. Clear all my rules. So the first option, you should enter the year and month, and you should type from 1 to 31. Okay, and the first formula is equivalent to date of. See, the date of, you should select the year, comma, month, comma, day. And since year and month is fixed for all the date, you should lock the cell. If you want to lock the cell, you should press function F4 key in your keyboard for year and month. Since date is changed for the rest of the date, your year and month is common for all the dates. And press enter. Once you press enter, the format will be in the terms of date hyphen month hyphen year, and it is based on your calendar, system calendar. And you should change the format in home tab, number. Under number option, you should select custom and you should type 3Ds here. This 3D denotes for Monday it is MON, for Tuesday it is TUE, for Wednesday it is WED. So it will change the format in that given type version. press OK and drag the entire cell. That's it. Okay. And select the data from 1 to 31, the first option. If you're going for an conditional formatting, you should select the data and just click Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and New Rule. Okay. So we have different types of rule types are available. For that, I'm going to select, we are going to use some formula in conditional formatting. For that, I'm using use a formula to determine which cells to format. My formula is equal to weekday. So weekday of, and your first formula. So where your form in which cell you type the formula, just select the cell. Okay. And this cell will be locked. You should unlock the content. Then only the formula will be applied for the rest of the cells. You should remove the dollar in before B symbol. Okay. Just remove the dollar and comma 2. 2 is nothing but Saturday and Sunday. Okay. For weekday formula, we have an index number for each and every day. For Monday, it is 1. For Tuesday, it is 2. And Wednesday, it is 3. And Thursday, it is 4. Friday, it is 5. And Saturday, it is 6. And Sunday, it is 7. So if you want to highlight my Saturday, Sunday, your index should be 5 and above. For that, I'm going to use greater than 5. Okay. And I want to highlight with my color. So for that, I'm just clicking this format button. So once you click this format button, just move on to fill tab and select any one color and click OK button. Okay. And press OK. What will happen? It will highlight your Saturday and Sunday. Okay. If you're changing any date right now, any date, see the Saturday, Sunday will be reflected in the entire cell. Okay. Yes. So, okay. In February month, I think it's a very good question. See. Okay, in February month, okay, if it is a leap year or not leap year, the data will be maximum data will be 28 and 29. It will not move on for 30 and 31 since I just fixed the calendar from 1 to 31. Okay, since it is an February month, the data will be applicable from 1 to 29. If it is a leap year or not leap year, the data will be applicable for 1 to 39 for February month. For the rest of the month, the date will be applicable from 1 to 31. Okay, yes. The first option, and this is the first hack we are going to see right now. And the second one, let me share my screen. Okay, and the second one, so how to integrate your ChatGPT with your PrepA test generator. Okay, and this is most important tool for the faculties. And if you are a student, okay, and you're going to prepare any other content based on the online content. For example, if you want to create a YouTube channel for education purpose, and if you want to create a course, and based on the week, you can able to create with the help of ChatGPT, and we can integrate that course content with your Prepay, and we can create some multiple choice question. Okay, and we can conduct the test, through the test 3. And we can conduct the test through in online with the help of PrepA test generator AI2. Okay, how we can able to perform this? It's very easy concept. You have to use 2 prompts here. The first prompt is your ChatGPT, and the second prompt is your PrepA. First, we can move on to ChatGPT, and we can integrate the ChatGPT content to your PrepA concept. Okay. So this is all about your screen. It is look like this. So the first screen is your ChatGPT screen, and second screen is nothing but your PrepA command, PrepA website. So we can move on some practical demonstration how to integrate this ChatGPT with your PrepA. Okay, let me share my screen. 1 minute. Okay, able to view my screen? Yes. I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. So in the Google search, okay, this is the Google search. Just type chat.openai.com, and this is the official website for your ChatGPT. So, and the same process. So once you move on, walk through this website, and we should log in with our Gmail credential. Since I already log in my content, since I already log in my content, okay, so it is look like this. This is a ChatGPT section. So I'm going to ask my ChatGPT, I'm going to create a course for Python programming for the college students. Okay, so I need a course content for Python programming for the college students. How I'm going to ask means it's a very simple command. So I'm going to ask to ChatGPT, create a course on Python programming for college students. That's it. Okay. So once you type the command in the prompt box, press enter. What will happen? See. So it will take some time, depends on your internet connectivity. Since it is an AI content, it will take some time. If it is take a more number of time, again you have to refresh the screen and you can try one more time. Okay. Yes, you can refresh one more time and we can execute the command. Create a course on Python programming for college students. See, so if the prompt is not working efficiently and you should refresh the page and try it once again, the AI will respond. Since it is an AI tool, so we should integrate we should try to refresh the screen once again if the AI is not running on the background. If it is not run background command, you should refresh the screen. So once you given the command, see what will happen right now. So okay, just it will display the course description and it will set the duration. See, it will set the duration 12 weeks for one semester. Since it's a 12-week course for one semester, and it should list out the learning objectives. What are the learning objectives are available for this course? And we have 11 learning objectives, and they're given a course outline for each and every week. So for week 1, it is introduction to Python. For week 2, it is control structures and function. So we have different weeks up to, it will create a course for 12 weeks. Okay. See, it will create a course for 12 weeks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a content for week 1. See, it's very easy. Create. Just type week 1. So we can integrate, you can communicate the ChatGPT based on the given answer from the ChatGPT. So I'm going for week 1. Okay, create week 1. See what will happen. Okay, it will take the data for week 1. So for week 1, what is going to say? It is session 1 for getting starting with Python, and Python basics for session 2, and control flow and functions and modules, practice and exercises. And it will display what is the assignment for week 1, and it is applicable for the given duration. So this is all about your week 1 content. So what I'm going to do right now, so I'm going to create a course, and I'm going to from the creation of the course, I just want to create for week 1. If you want to create week 2, you can create week 2. Okay. Now I'm going to create an MCQ for week 1. Okay, it's very easy. Just type the command create quiz for week 1. Okay. See what we're going to do. The ChatGPT, it will create an multiple choice question for week 1. Can you able to see this? Okay, so this is all about your MCQ question. So, and one more thing, you can see the magic on the end of the session, end of the question. If it's 10 question, and it will display the answer also. See, it will display the answer based on the question. So we just want to communicate with ChatGPT for the online course. And the next thing, how we should integrate this ChatGPT content, course content, to our PrepA concept. So how to integrate our ChatGPT console to our PrepA? It's very easy. So I'm going to create a summary for week 1. So once you create a summary, in the summary we can able to create an MCQ in PrepA. Okay, just press enter, create summary for week 1. Okay. So just a minute, it is creating a summary. That's it. And this is the entire summary for week 1. Okay. So now we are going to integrate this summary with our PrepA. It's very easy command. So far we have done in ChatGPT. The first step, we are creating a course for Python programming for the college students. So it will create a 12-week course for the semester, and it will create a week 1 framework. The second step, and we are creating a content for week 1. And the third step, we are creating a summary for week 1. So once we create a summary, and we can move on to our PrepA concept. Okay. So PrepA is a website. I just want to just click the PrepA website. So in the Google, just type PrepA, PREP space AI. Okay. So this is the official link for PrepA site, and this is an AI tool. Okay. So what is the main role of test AI? It will generate a test, okay, based on advanced concept. So how the AI will generate, we can see in the upcoming session how this test will be created. It's very easy. Just click on that link. Your official link will be www.prepaa.io. Just click on that link. It will redirect to the official website. Okay. See, this is the official website. We can able to create some assessment based on the question. So for that, if you want to use the PrepA, and you should log in the credential. Okay, I'm going for some trial version. So just in the get started button, you have a login option. Just click login. Okay. See, I already log in with my credential. See, I already log in with my content. So if you want to create a new content, if you want to add a new account, you can able to sign up with Google, and we can able to create an account with PrepA. So if you have a social media account, Google and Facebook, you can able to log in with the social media account also. But I'm going to log in with my account, with my Google account. So this is my login page, and this is my account page and profile page. Okay. So the first step is, once you log in the credential, we can able to create a content based on the title. So if you want to create a question paper for Python programming, just type introduction to Python, it will create it. But I'm not going to create like this. I'm going to create a content. I'm going to paste the content. From the content, they will generate an multiple choice question. So it is a very easy one. Just if you want to just type the introduction to Python programming and just generate question, it will generate the content. So this is not a new thing. Okay. So it will just click generate a question, it will create a question, but it is not a new thing. Okay. And my title of my question paper is Introduction to Python Programming, and my content, it is available in my ChatGPT. See, this is my content. I'm going to take the content from the basics of Python syntax, control flow. So I'm going to take this 3 para because this 3 para contains some basic concept of Python. So it will contain some variable data type operators and control structures. So they will create an MCQ based on these 3 content. Just copy the content. Okay, copy the content from ChatGPT and paste the content in the text box. See, just paste the content. Okay. So once you paste the content, see, these are all the question types. So what type of questions? So we have 3 levels of question. We have easy MCQ, medium MCQ. I'm going to select all those things. Okay. I need easy MCQ, medium MCQ, and hard MCQ. So number of questions, by default, we can able to create 30 questions. So I'm not going to given any number for the question. Just I'm going to create I'm just going to click the generate question. So once you click on the generate question, it will create an MCQ. Okay, I just want to repeat the step once again. The first thing, you should enter the title of the question paper, and second thing, you should copy the content from ChatGPT, and we should paste the content in Prepay, and we should select the question type, whether the question will be easy or medium or hard. By default, it is 30 question. We can able to increase the question if you are upgrading the plan. Since it is a trial version, we can able to use 30 questions right now. Once you click generate question, see what will happen. The question paper is being generated. Okay. So it takes some time to generate the question paper. So it will show in the progress how many percent the question paper is created. So the question paper is created. So see, you can able to see the MCQ question, and you can able to download the question paper. Since I have problem with my plugin, PDF plugin, like a PDF and doc plugin, I just want to preview the question paper. See, this is your preview question paper, and this green color, it indicate an answer for this option. See, we have by default, it will generate around, since I am having a existing version, it's creating 37 questions right now. For MCQ, it is 9 questions. See, for medium level, it is 9 questions. For hard level, it is 1 question. Okay. So once you create the question, and we have a descriptive question also, and we have fill up also. So it is taken the content from ChatGPT. Okay, it will create different types of questions. Okay, so if you want to conduct the tests to your student, it's very easy. Okay, once the question is finalized, just click this finalize question. That's it. Your question paper is ready, and you can able to download the question paper in PDF format or doc format or Excel format. Which version you want to download, you can able to download. The question paper is now downloaded. See, this is your question paper. It will list number of questions. See, this entire content is prepared by Prepay, but the source of the content, I just taken the content from ChatGPT. From ChatGPT, I'm going to integrate my Prepay. So you can able to download the question paper in PDF format, or else in doc format, or else in Excel format. We can able to download the question paper, and this is in the form of PDF format. And if you want to conduct the test to your student, it's very easy. Say this, just click conduct test. Okay. So once you click conduct test, and you can able to enter title of a test. So I'm going to click as a surprise test -Python, and you can able to set some date and time for the date text expire. I'm going to click it as 22 at what time the test going to be ended. So I'm going to set the deadline for the test 22 of June at 12 o'clock. Once you click finalize test, see what will happen. Sorry, I just want to enter the mark. You have to see, since there is no mark for this section, and you should enter the mark by in terms of manual option. I'm going to give one mark for each and every section. So you have to enter the marks. So you can able to give your marks in terms of 2 marks or 1 marks, and you can able to set some deviation. For medium level, it is 1 mark. For hard level, it is 2 or 3 marks. You can set some deviation. I just given a common number for each and every type of question. That's it. I just enter the mark for each and every section. So once you enter the mark, click finalize test. Okay. So it will progress your finalized test, and you can able to add. See, just click this share button. you can able to add your student email ID here. So I'm going to use my email ID. So kuu@srmist.edu.in. Okay. So once you click send button, okay, this question paper is sent through in email format. So I'm going to send the, just going check my email. Just a minute. See, Prepay, your Prepay test URL. Okay, just click that mail in the inbox. Okay, see, hey there, welcome to Prepay test conducting, and the topic of the test is surprise test -Python. To start the test, click the URL below. And the most important thing is, it is an OTP based verification test. Okay, see, just click get started with the test. The Prepay will ask your email ID and your name. I'm going to give my name and my email ID and click next button. See what will happen right now. They will ask a verification code. Okay, only the verified user, they can able to take the test. And since it is a single test, okay, you can able to take a test at least only one time. The OTP, you see the verification code, it is also received from my end. Just type the verification code and click verify and start test. Only verified user, they can able to take the test. See, logged in as Dev-Kumar. Just the topic, surprise test for Python, total 33 marks. And you can select the test deviation. See what will happen. I just randomly select the option. The test score will be move on to your professor. Okay, and you can able to view the test score. And we can restrict the test score. If the user is, if you want to restrict the test score for the user, we can able to restrict the test score. Just a minute, just complete the test. I think I just select the option randomly. You want to create the test and you can able to do slowly for the test, and you can set some duration for tests also. Just select the option. I just select it as random option. I think which option is correct, I can't able to know. Once you complete the test, click submit test. Okay, and your test is submitted successfully. Okay, and if you want to do for some practice version, you can able to create a custom test. If you want to create a custom test, you can able to create a custom test. Okay, see, once you complete the test, your test score will be there. See, since I'm selecting a random option, my total score is 9. So if you want to restrict the test score, we can able to restrict the test score. But we can, if you want to restrict the test score for the user, you should take an upgrade plan. So this upgrade plan, it contains a lot of things using this Prepay. And just move on to my question paper section. Okay, I already create 2 question papers. Okay, just click on this test option. See, there is an option called surprise test Python, and we can click the score. See, one student is complete the test. You can able to see the one student complete the test with the email ID and the correct answer and the number of scores. From the admin side, we can able to view the marks for the given student. Okay, if you're going for an upgrade plan, we can able to get an API access. Okay, we have an API access right now for upgrading plan. So if you're going for some upgrading plan, we have a lot of options are available for upgrading. Since it is a free version, and you can able to create only 3 tests per day, and we can given 1 topic for a day, and we can create only multiple choice question. Okay, and we have if you want to export the content, you can able to export only 1 PDF for a day. Okay, there is some restriction for the free version. So if you're going for some solo and team version, you have to pay $8.99 per month. Okay. And for team version, it is 1,000 rupees per month. Your team size based on the content. See, if your team size is 10, you can able to subscribe most of them, and you can create 4,000 words in solo, and we have unlimited number of access for solo and team version. Okay, if you are definitely this Prepay is very useful, you can subscribe from your end and you can use for your course content. Okay, and this is all about the second topic, how to create. It is possible to paste our own content. Yes, we can able to create. See, I just copy the content from ChatGPT and I just paste the content in the Prepay text box. I'm not going to type any content here. I just copy the content from ChatGPT and paste the content in Prepay. Okay, you can able to do copy paste content. Yes. And the next option. Okay. Next option is what is Lumenify AI and Adobe Podcast AI. So this tool is mainly for if you want to prepare lecture content, you can able to use this, but it is not particularly for the lecture content. So if you want to create some self-made video based on the content, we can able to create the self-made content with the help of Lumenify AI. And this Adobe Podcast AI, it will eliminate the background noise from the audio. If you are having a recording option, if you are going for a voice recording option, is there is any background noise available, using this Adobe Podcast AI, we can eliminate and we can remove the background noise. Okay, just first we can see what is Lumenify AI and we can move on to the Adobe Podcast AI. Okay, and this is all about your Lumenify AI. And Lumenify, it is also an official link. We have lumenify.com. So in this website, again, we should log in with our Gmail credential, or we can able to create our own login. You can able to create. Okay. So this is the official link, and this is the dashboard of your Lumenify AI. Okay. So I just stop my screen. We can see some practical demonstration. Okay. I just close the entire content. Just a minute. Let me share my screen. Okay, my website name is lumenify.com. So once you walk through this website, I already log in with my credential. I already log in with my personal Gmail account. If you want to log in with your account, and you can able to log in with your Gmail account or Facebook account or Instagram account, you can log in. Or if you want to log in with Lumenify, you can able to create. Okay. See, I already create a content. I just want to show this content. Later we can create a new video. See. Just a minute, just open my plan, 1 minute. I think it takes some time to load, just a minute. Okay, it is loaded right now, 1 minute. Okay, I just click this preview button. What will happen? See. Hear the background music of the content. So we will create a dynamic video content and it will create your technical. So by default, it will take only 20-minute session since it is a trial version. If you want to upgrade the plan, we can able to upgrade and we can create maximum of 5 to 10 minutes content. I just showed the upgrade plan right now. Just see the pricing for Lumenify. See, we have monthly option and we have yearly option. See, since it is a basic version, for a basic version, okay. See, we have 1 million of stock images. We have one, and video limits is unlimited. Okay, for the basic plan, and you should pay $29 per month for upgrading a version. And they have given many number of unlimited access. Okay, they have given video limits as unlimited for the basic version. Okay, so if you want to create a content, it's very easy. Okay, just a minute. Just move on to lumenify.com. The first step is you should log in. You should go to the official website lumenify.com, and you should log in with your personal Gmail account or Facebook account, Instagram account. So once you log in the content, this is your dashboard of your Lumenify, and just click new video. Okay. So once you click this new video button, these are all some predefined templates are available in Lumenify. If you want to select any predefined template, you can able to select. Okay. So for that, I'm going to select any one template. So I need a template like this. Just click on that content. You can able to preview the content like this. Okay. If you want to use this template, and it is applicable for different formats, and your video resolution should be 16:9 and 1:1 and 9:16 and 9:16. If you want to select which format your video should be like that, I'm going to select for 16:9. I just click this use this template option. Okay, and once you click this use to template, and you can click, you have two options here. One is your transform your text into video, and if you want to create a new video, you can able to create. Okay, so what is the second option means? If you want to create a video from scratch, if you want to upload the images, and if you want to upload some custom images and custom background voices, if you want to create from the scratch, you can able to create the second option as create a video from scratch. And if you have a text and you should want to convert the text into video, just click this option as transform your text into video. So once you click on the content, okay, and you should paste the content here. So you have a URL, and this you want to paste an article, you can paste an article. So I'm going to just click on this. Okay, the same content from the basic. I'm going to copy the content from ChatGPT and going to paste the content. Okay, once you paste the content, just click the button continue with AI. So this AI will create a video script for a customized text. Okay, since your content Python, it is similar for some other people, they are creating a Python content. It is also similar. If you want to reuse the content, you can able to reuse. Otherwise, you can see these are all the options. You have a title, introduction, variables, operators. There is a deviation between each and every. See, these are all the scenes for each and every content. See, this title is a one scene, introduction is another screen. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have nine scenes are available, and 9 scenes will be clubbed together, and it will create a custom video script right now. Once you click this button convert to video, and your text will be converted into video. Okay, so it will take some time to complete the task. See, once the video is converted, just click this preview button right now. With the background, can anyone respond to the chat box? Can you hear?
Yeah, a little bit noise.
And if you want to download the content, just click publish button. I think I have some connectivity issue. 1 second. Okay, just a minute. I just refresh the screen. Okay. Yes. Once you click this publish button, okay, you can able to download the video in terms of MP4 format or some other format. We can able to download. I think I have some internet connectivity issue. I think so.
So it's buffering. The page is
Yes,
buffering.
the page is buffering. Yes, yes, yes. Otherwise, if you want to share the link with your students, just click this copy link. Okay, and just paste the link in separate tab. I think 1 second. I think the page is buffering right now. Just a minute. Okay. So once you click this publish button and just copy the link from the URL, just paste the URL in different tab, and we can able to preview the video in a separate link, and you can able to share this link with your students. So you can able to create a text to video concept with the help of Lumenify AI. Okay. And this is the one of the important AI. Even though we have different kinds of AI, this Lumenify is used to convert your text into video, and it will customize it will automatically customize your background video and images and background musics. It will automatically customize based on the data, based on the input data from the user. Okay. And the last option is nothing but, let me share my screen. And the last option is nothing but, you're going to see what is Adobe Podcast AI. Okay, this is the Adobe Podcast AI. So the official link for Podcast AI is podcast.adobe.com. So we can able to remove the background noise and echo. Just read the content. It will remove your background noise and echo. And if you are playing any background music, and it will not eliminate it. Just listen carefully. It will remove only your background noises. If you are playing any audios or any video on the background of the content, it will not eliminate. It will remove only your background noise and echo content. If your audio is having some echo content, you want to remove the content, we can able to use this Adobe Podcast AI. And this is the official link, podcast.adobe.com. Just I just share my screen. See, podcast.adobe.com. And if you have an Adobe account, you can able to log in with your Adobe account. Otherwise, you can just click quick tools option and enhance speech. Okay, I already have an Adobe account. I just log in with the credential. Just click this enhance speech option. Okay, so once you click this enhance speech, and this is a sample music. See, these are all the sample musics available here.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty.
This enhanced speech, it will remove your background noise and echo. So if you want to do this content with your custom voice recorder, just click this upload button, and there is some restrictions are available here. See, your audio, since it is a free version, okay, the maximum duration is 1 hour, the voice will be 1 hour, and the size will be 500 MB total day. So you can able to use 3 hours. Okay, just click upload button right now. I already have a voice recorder. I just want to upload my voice content, ChatGPT, and my day 4. Okay, just 1 second. This is my original lecture content. Once you upload the content, so I just want to play my 1 minute. Just I want to play that background, my lecture content. Just want to play 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay, let me share my screen. 1 minute. See. Very good morning to one and all present here. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about what is Python programming. So Python programming refers to the practice of writing computer programs using the Python programming language. Noises are available here. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. So a very good morning to one and all present here. So this is the original version. I just record my voice content in my voice recorder application in my Windows PC, and I'm going to go for some enhanced version. Okay, so for the enhanced version, just move on to this podcast.adobe.com. So I just upload my lecture content. Just download this content, and this audio will be an enhanced version. Okay. Let me share my screen. Just a minute. I just play the enhanced version. You can see some difference between the enhanced version and the original version. So a very good morning to one and all present here. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about what is Python programming. So Python programming refers to the practice of. You can play from. So a very good morning to one and all present here. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about what is Python programming. So Python programming refers to the practice of writing computer programs using the Python programming language. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. So yes, this is the day 4 content we have discussed in the today's session. This is all about the day 4 content of ChatGPT and other AI tools, FDP. So I just remove and unmute access. I just give an unmute access. If you have any doubts and clarifications, you can unmute yourself and you can ask right now. Yes. Yes, the voice recording quality has been improved. Yes, many of the people, even many YouTubers, they are using this AI, podcast AI. So it will remove the background noise from the voice recording. Yes, now the voice is clearing. Yes, if there is any doubt so far, I just want to summarize the content, what we've done so far. So the first option is we have seen what is Excel acts using conditional formatting. Using this Excel acts, we can able to highlight Saturday and Sunday based on the year and month. This is the first one. And the second one, we are going to create a course content for the college students. And we are creating a multiple choice question from ChatGPT to PrepA. This PrepA, it is a test-based generator. It will create a multiple choice question. And we can create an online test and we can share it to our students and we can create a test framework. It is an AI content, the second deviation. And the third content is nothing but if you want to create a text-based video, you can move on to Lumenify.com, and this Lumenify.com, it will create a text from video concept. And the last one is nothing but podcast. This Adobe podcast, it will remove your background noises and echo content. This is all about the day 4 session of ChatGPT and AI content. Okay. If there is any doubt so far, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. And otherwise, you can post the content in chat box. Your clarifications, yes. If you have any doubts, you can ask right now.
Dear participants, your unmute option has to be enabled. So do you have any doubts? You can ask right now.
Just a minute. I just connected my headset one. Just a minute. If you have any clarification, just a minute.
Madhubala ma'am, do you have any doubt?
Sudhir Kumar. Nice presentation. Congrats once again.
Yes, if you have any doubts, and you can unmute yourself and you can ask your queries. Yes. Yes. Thank you, GV sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, any other clarifications?
Yeah.
You have any
No.
doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So the next day, the day 4 session, day 5 session will be on tomorrow at 4 to 5 p.m. Okay, it is not 5 to 6. It is 4 to 5 p.m. The meeting link will be sent through in WhatsApp group by tonight or tomorrow morning. I just practice all this session for the daily hacks. You can see using this tool, you can complete most of the works within 2 hours. You can accept right now. Yes. If you are accepting, press yes in the chat box. You can complete using this tool. You can complete most of the work within short span of time. Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you, Bharati and Vignesh and Devi Kala and KB Priya. Yes, thank you, Dr. KB Priya, ma'am.
Mr. Uday Kumar, tomorrow the same time at a different time.
Just the feedback link is available in the chat box. Just complete the feedback. Sir, can you give recording video link to us? Yes, definitely. We are creating a portal for this. So it will be live on the last day. So we are creating a separate portal for this 8 days FTP program. And each and every day you can able to preview the recording. So because in the recording will be in our YouTube channel, we just want to create a separate portal and you can able to access the portal. And the portal link will be shared through our WhatsApp group on day 8 last session, and you can able to utilize that application. Yes. Content creation really good, sir. Thank you. And tomorrow's session is about an Office 365 hacks. Okay. We are going to see some Office 365 hacks and some other AI tools we are going to see on tomorrow. So if you are doing a very good presentation, on tomorrow's session is about the presentation thing. Okay. So we are going to create some presentation and we are going to do some hacks in Microsoft PowerPoint. So the tomorrow session is very much interesting. We're going to use some PowerPoint and AI tools. So we will move on. If you complete the feedback and you can enter the session. No, tomorrow the time. 4 to 5 people.
Mute ஆயிடுச்சு. So tomorrow timings will be changed. So tomorrow session will be start at 4 o'clock.
It is 4 to 5 p.m. It's a 1 hour session. You can join me at 4 o'clock. Okay. Not only tomorrow, the rest of the session will be at 4 to 5 p.m. only. Okay. You complete the feedback and you can enter the session. Thank you, Jayashree ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you all the participants.
Once you complete the feedback, you can leave the chat. Thank you.